I'm Anthony Santiago.
I'm Jen Gladstone,
and this is Salty Jobs.
We're here at Waterways Marina in Aventura, Florida, and we're teaming up with Bluestar Marine. Established in 2012, Bluestar Marine has become a leader in the yachting industry, specializing in air quality solutions and top-notch ventilation cleaning services.
Today, we'll be working aboard this 126-foot yacht, highlighting some of these ventilation cleaning services, focusing on the HVAC and air duct systems. These are vital for maintaining a healthy environment on board while ensuring the yacht has peak performance.
Well, Anthony, it sounds like we got a lot of work to do. You ready to dive in?
Yeah, Jen, let's get cleaning. I'm here with Ben Baffa, who's the operations manager here at Bluestar Marine. So Ben, I know your role could be very different depending on what industry you're in. Can you tell me what your job is like and what a day looks like in your role?
As the operations manager, my main role is to keep up with the efficiency of the team as a whole. So making sure that the schedule aligns with our vessels and our clients' deadlines to make sure that my guys stay productive and that we finish all of the projects to the best of our ability for our clients.
So it sounds like you play a crucial role in getting these jobs done. Now, I know that in this business, technology is always changing. What does Bluestar Marine do to stay at the top of their game and always keep up with industry standards?
Well, we're constantly innovating and changing in order to meet our clients' demands. And the biggest thing is we listen. We listen both to our technicians internally and to our clients. Our clients have high expectations. And a lot of times, as long as you listen, you'll get good feedback on what it is they're looking for from your service and from you as a contractor.
Wow, that's really important. And do you have any advice for someone who's looking to maybe step into either a job as an operations manager or even someone just looking to get into the business of air quality control?
You really have to go above and beyond, especially in the yachting industry. These clients have very high expectations. So from a service perspective and also from a customer service perspective, you have to give 100% to go above and beyond. And you also have to cultivate a team that understands that, so the entire company is on the same page.
Got it. And I know we're going to be doing a couple big jobs in this 126-foot yacht. Are you ready to get to it?
Let's do it.
Before we started, Jen and I turned on the HEPA air scrubber and hydroxyl blast. These air purification devices would stay on during the entire job to filter out and neutralize any pollutants in the air. To begin the HVAC cleaning process, we access the blower unit, which is responsible for moving air through the system. I use an air gun to rotate the fan while a HEPA vacuum extracted debris from the fan blades. After a few rotations, I brushed away any stubborn debris and repeated the process.
I'm here with Tony Bioni, who's a foreman with Bluestar Marine. Tony, it's so great to have you here. Can you just give our viewers a little insight on what it's like to be a foreman with Bluestar Marine?
It's definitely interesting. Every day it changes depending on the model of yacht we're working on and a different size.
That's great. So it's never really boring, right? That's what it sounds like anyways.
Yeah, it's always interesting.
That's awesome. So what would you say to our viewers as far as the skills you need to be able to perform tasks?
HVAC experience is definitely a plus, but besides that, just being knowledgeable and a fast learner, because everything varies depending on what yacht you're on.
That makes sense. So being very open and just being able to adapt, right, to the new environments. Okay, I got it. So I guess the last question I have for you here is what's most important when you're actually performing these services, especially being on the yacht itself?
The most important is protecting the area, definitely. You don't want to damage anything on these yachts.
Yep.
And then also wearing PPE, like protective equipment.
That makes sense. I mean, judging by our surroundings, it seems like we really need to be protective of the yachts we're on, which is super cool here. But as far as you, like, what do you guys actually have to wear when you're actually in it?
Wearing gloves, glasses, masks, shoe covers.
Awesome. Well, I'm super excited to see how the HVAC cleaning goes. So are we ready to dive on in?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
After Anthony cleaned the fan of the HVAC unit, I was all set to start cleaning the air ducts. I started by using the roto brush to clear the dust and debris. The brush's flexibility and spinning motion make it particularly effective at navigating curved ducts and loosening buildup within the system. A HEPA vacuum can then be used to remove the debris and dust. Next, we move down to the first deck to clean the plenums. An air whip is used to blast air through the plenum, with its split hoses distributing low-pressure air to avoid damaging the yacht. I activated the air whip using the button on the hose. With air flowing through, I moved the whip back and forth to remove the accumulated debris from the plenum. Now with the air system clean, it was ready to perform at its best.
You don't start, right? I start. We're here at Waterways Marine. I was just literally started that laughing. Read it.